No one.
So we're busy working on a Landrover, fixing an issue. What is the problem? Is it an electrical one?
The window regulator is stuck broken inside the door panel. I'm trying to improvise to put it out to replace a new piece right in the floor.
So the window what?
Regulator.
The window regulator is stuck, and Ruben knows how to improvise in the game. So he's got legend Nicholas there, his son working with him. We're at Lincoln Auto Electric in Long Beach at 793 Redondo Avenue. If you have a similar issue or any electrical issue, any mechanical issue, old or new cars, bring them on down. And this here is a LR2 Landrover. And we're onto something here.
Yeah, you know the regulator was jump on the floor, so I don't want to break the glass. So what I have to do is improvise to remove the top out of the glass.
By heating it up.
That's it, heating up there. Design is so terrible.
The design?
Terrible.
Really?
Oh.
Who makes it?
Landrover.
Isn't that Ford though?
This is a cheaper one, but they still they should make it now.
All right, come on down to Long Beach.